All right, we're at 64 Colvin Ave in Albany. This is going to be apartment buildings for disabled veterans and homeless people for Capital District, and we are working for Vecino. All right, so up here on the north end of the building, we have a maintenance room. This is one of 3 stair towers. And we're currently working on the 2nd stair tower right now. We're putting the footing in. We're actually pouring that today. And then obviously this is the exterior of the building, perimeter walls. All right, so I lay everything out. And what I usually do is go by the face of wall in the drawings. And that gives me a reference so I can plan where to put my rebar. The horizontal bar in the footing goes in, and then the verticals come up. And what happens is when we put the forms in, the rebar is actually in the panels and not touching anything. So when we pour concrete, there's no exposed rebar. And these are residential panel. They're a latch system. They're quicker than the Simon's panels. The hardware is actually on the panels already, which saves a little bit of time when we install them. All right, so when we're putting these panels up, generally we start with either an inside corner or outside corner. That's typically the way we do it with these panels. This is the outside corner. It's just a 1 inch by 1 inch piece of tube steel. It's got latches on one side, and when you put your next panel on, the latches on the panel will make the connection. And then the inside corner. And then once we get everything up and ready, then we'll brace it with turnbuckle and the whalers here. And these clamps are individual clamps, and they go on every panel. We put a 2x4 on, and we nail a turnbuckle to it. And there's adjustment in the turnbuckle that allows us to push and pull the wall as needed.